where he's doing. Say, Mr. Ray. Mr. Ray, want to get up? Mr. Ray, want to get up and play? Jerry, where is he? There he is. Mr. Ray. Hello, Mr. Ray. What is it with you? Wow! All right, let's put Mr. Ray over here and let's let him relax. Here we go. Want to get him down? Should we get him down? Oh! Mr. Ray. Wow. All right, now we got to put him away. Now we got to put him away. Say goodbye. Bye, Mr. Ray. Goodbye. All right. Come on, out. Daddy's got to lock up. Come on, out. Come on, Daddy's locking up. Come on, girlie. Come on, girlie. Come on, hurry up out. All right, Daddy's locking you in.